Hi, my name is Shehryar and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Shehryar. So today we will learn how we can draw UV graph using Origin software. So here first we have to open our Origin software. Then we will take values from our sheets where we will add it. So I want to add more values for more graphs. So if I want to add more values for absorbance with common wavelength, so I have to type Control D. So I need six more absorbance values. So I type six and okay. So I will minimize this and open here. So just add values here, here. So, so we just have to pick observers. We place here one by one. And be sure to copy each value once. We just have to type Control C and then Control V. So here we select Control R, then draw. So these are our values. So now we set our values and also modify these bars, minor ticks and major ticks. So first we go for scale. Uh, we have to change vertical scale from 0 to 2.2 here, and horizontal scale from 220 to 850. So uh, maybe 230, just apply. So this, and we can also change our minor and major ticks. Just so at bottom, major ticks out, minor ticks none. Top show no. Just want to show this and apply. So here we can write. We will also change scale increment point 0.5 0.1. We can also change 0.2. So here, also 0.5. So it's depend upon us how we can change. So we can change its width. And here we can write title of our graph. It may be any transition of CA, like so. It was about today how we can draw UV graph. So see you in next lecture.